A power surge fried the connector on my e-bike battery and left it unusable. Rather than spending hundreds on a replacement, I decided to see if I could fix it. This is the battery base I modified for the XT60 cable to pass through. Before I show the repair, here's the finished result. I removed the damaged connector and converted the battery to a direct XT60 connection. The XT60 connector exits the modified base and connects directly to the balancer, then the controller. The battery is still mounted securely using the factory battery base. After the modification, the bike powered on normally and the repair was a success. When I removed the original connector, several of the contacts were burnt and melted from the surge damage. The first step was cutting out the damaged connector from both the battery and the mounting base. To keep the battery securely mounted, I modified the battery base so the XT60 connector could pass through while still allowing the battery to lock in place. Heat shrink tubing was added to protect the solder joints and provide additional insulation. With the damaged connector removed, I soldered the existing XT60 cable from the base directly to the battery. This creates a simple and reliable connection between the battery, the balancer, and the controller. Once the wiring was complete, the battery was ready to be reinstalled onto the bike. The battery slides onto the factory mount as normal, and the XT connector plugs directly into the balancer, which plugs into the controller. With everything connected, the bike powered on successfully and the repair was complete. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more Super 73 and e-bike modifications.